Dashes for independent clauses. We have already learned how to use colons and semicolons to mark boundaries between clauses. But today we're going to be learning about how to use a single dash. A single dash can be used to separate two main clauses. We know that a main clause is an independent clause which makes sense on its own and can stand alone as a complete sentence. Let's have a look at an example. A shadow passed over Sims. The dragon had escaped the lava. We have linked the two independent related clauses with a single dash. The second independent clause supports the first clause or explains it. In this case, the shadow passed over Sims because it was caused by the dragon who had miraculously survived the volcanic eruption. Sims couldn't attack the dragon. Darwin's assistant threw his knife into the base of the boat. In this example, the second independent clause links to the first. He couldn't attack the dragon with his knife, so he ended up throwing his knife into the bottom of the boat to keep the dragon safe. Farthing had found Sims. The lizard was pushing the chest in the sea. In this example, the second independent clause links to the first because it explains what the lizard was doing after she found Sims. Sims woke up and immediately reached to the side. Farthing was safely in a cage next to the bed. In this final example, the second independent clause explains why Sims immediately reached to the side when he woke up, to check Farthing was okay.